If I could only perform one card trick for the rest of my life, I'd choose Deadline.
You know what's even weirder? Can you unlock your phone?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Take a breath, open your eyes.
447? 447.
I'm in shock!
Alright, what is Deadline? Essentially, it's Triumph's long-lost brother. Cards are mixed face up into face down, either by you or by the spectator. They time this chaos using their phone's stopwatch.
There's no way we can fake that, yeah?
No apps are needed. The time on the spectator's phone is randomly generated and is never forced. You know how it's gonna end. The cards unshuffle themselves, the whole deck is back in order, except 3 cards.
Just imagine every single card in the deck turning over. Genuinely try and imagine that every card turns over. We have 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now it looks like, if you lift up your hand, look, it looks like nothing has happened.
Yeah.
It looks like nothing has happened, but you saw the mess, look. Every single card in the deck, you are an absolute, okay, you missed 3 cards, but apart from that, I mean, that's, if we had 3 more seconds, we would have had 10, you would have had this. Damn it.
Those cards happen to match the randomly generated time on their phone perfectly.
Wait a second. Can you unlock your phone again?
Yes.
You know how you created a random time?
What the What the How did you do that? Yeah.
Can you unlock your screen?
Don't know. No. What the Oh my god!
Show the camera.
It actually is 7 seconds and 56 milliseconds.
7,
that is
5,
amazing.
6. You gotta teach me that trick.
Out of my head.
Shut the f up! No way! No way! You're
No way. That's crazy. This is amazing. Wow. Damn.
Put the phone right here for everyone to see. 4, 7, 5.
That is insane. That's
It's incredible.
That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
Yeah,
Thank you so much,
insane.
guys. You will be taught 3 different versions. The hands-off approach, where basically the gimmick deck does all the hard work for you. An ultra-easy, impromptu version, adaptable to any time and any deck.
Magic.
And a borrowed deck version that fooled every magician I ever performed it for.
No, it's not a force.
You've not loaded any apps on my phone today?
No.
My name is Yannick and welcome to Deadline.